While visiting Gardner Caves in eastern Washington, we ran across this little gem. If you're a fan of waterfalls, it was a very well put together rest stop. It was called Sweet Creek Falls, and they even built interpretive trails so you could walk along the river and see the falls up close. Without these trails, this was the best view you could get of the falls. But you cross this wood bridge, head along the trail, which goes up and down, admire the beauty along the trail as you're walking, and you get closer and closer to the falls. However, you do want to be careful. The state of Washington has a new policy in place. They only want to spend money on stuff that they can put a toll on. So this trail, kind of like most of the bridges in Washington state, is suffering from a bit of neglect. Speaking of bridges, I wouldn't recommend trying to cross this one. Eventually, you'll actually get to the top of the waterfall. It is well worth the short little hike. Well, thanks for watching.